that is 1. Then rest of the questions I will do in next video. Thank you very much, my dear students. Please my dear students, today in this video I will do some problems of exercise 1.3. ये जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं ये पिछले वीडियो में जो हमने बनाया था उसमें रह गई थी, तो आज हम इन्हीं प्रॉब्लम्स को करेंगे। पहली प्रॉब्लम है, हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स हैज़ पी ए इफ ए इक्वल टू द नल सेट। So number of elements in the null set is 0 because there is no element in the null set. Therefore, number of subsets, now number of subsets equal to 2 raised to the power 0, that is 1. So in this set means, and therefore PA has only one element. How many elements has PA? PA has only one element. Now come to question number 6. Write the following intervals x such that x belongs to R. Negative 4 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. That means negative 4 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. X belongs to R. That means negative 4 and here will be 6, this. In this way you can write, because 6 is included, because of this equality sign, and negative 4 is not included since there is no equality sign. तो इस तरह से आप लिख सकते हो। ये फर्स्ट का है जवाब। नाउ कम टू सेकेंड। सेकेंड इज negative 12 is less than x is less than negative 10. X belongs to R. That means negative 12 negative 10. Yes, because both are not included. Both are not included. Then third. Third is 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 7. Less than 7. Yes. X belongs to R. So 0 is less than x is less than 7. That means 0, 7, this. Now come to fourth. It is negative 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4. X belongs to R. That means 3, 4. So these are the answers of question number 5 and 6. Now come to question number 7. 7 is write the following intervals in set builder form. I will write one or two, so I will take only one example. First example, that is -3, 0. -3, 0. That means you can write this in this way, x such that x belongs to R and -3 is less than x is less than 0. So this is the set. -3 is less than x is less than 0. Then fourth one, this is first. Now fourth. Fourth is -23 and 5. -23 and 5. This. That means x such that x belongs to R, -23 is less than or equal to x is less than 5. Yes. So in this way you can do these questions. Now come to question number 8. Question number 8. What universal set would you propose for each of the following? The set of right triangles. Then universal set will be the set of triangles. The set of all triangles. U equal to such that x is a triangle. X is a triangle. Similarly, the set of isosceles triangle, in this also universal set will be the same. U equal to x such that x is a triangle. Then come to the last question, that is 9th. Given set A equal to 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6 and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, which of the following may be considered as universal sets for all the three sets A, B and C? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 is not here, that is here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is here. 1 is here, 3 is here, 5 is also here, 2, 4, 6 is here, 2, 4, 6 is also here, and 0 is also here. So you can take this, you can take this. And in fourth set, 0 is not there, so third one can be taken as universal set. The required universal set will be the required universal set will be zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be the required universal set. Now come to another topic, that is Venn diagram. Venn diagrams. These diagrams were introduced by John Venn, an English logician. With the help of these diagrams, we can represent sets with geometric figures. ये जो वेन डायग्राम है, इसको अंग्रेजी तर्कशास्त्री जॉन वेन ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था। वेन डायग्राम के द्वारा या वेन आरेख के द्वारा हम ज्यामिति की चित्रों की सहायता से सेट्स और उनके ऑपरेशंस को दिखा सकते हैं। यूनिवर्सल सेट को रेक्टेंगल से या आयत से, और अन्य जितने भी सेट्स होते हैं उनको हम वृत्त से या सर्कल से दिखाते हैं। अब एक एग्जाम्पल इसमें इलस्ट्रेशन दिया हुआ है आपकी बुक में, वही मैं करके दिखा रहा हूं। एक इलस्ट्रेशन है u इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 and so on 10 and a equal to